for the justice. Okay. రాష్ట్రంలో పేదలకు పెత్తందారులకు మధ్య యుద్ధం అంటుంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఈ పెత్తందారులందరూ పేదలు విట్నెసెస్ అందరినీ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేస్తుంటే అక్కడ మర్చిపోయారా ఏమేమి నడుస్తున్నాయో? It's been 5 years this fight is going on. This fight for justice is going on. My wish, my hope is that if I get justice in this, this will help more people to be ready to fight for justice if they are faced with adversities. That will hopefully change the society. That is my wish, that is my hope. What happened to the doctor in Vizag during COVID time? Who is fighting for his death? What happened to the driver of the MLC whose body was thrown at his doorstep? Who is fighting for them? Why are nobody fighting? Because people believe that there is no hope, and I want to bring that hope back. I still believe in the system. In spite of all the adverse situations, we have this far, which means there is still hope. And I want to all of your help. I want the people's help. Prajala sahakaram kavali naku. ప్రజలు ఎలా సహకారం కావాలంటున్నాను, ఎలా చేయగలుగుతారు వచ్చే ఎలక్షన్స్లో? యూ కెన్ షో దట్ ఇన్ యోర్ ఓట్. ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు హెల్ప్ మీ irrespective of all the parties. I want all the people supporting, leaders supporting every party to